Hello! Welcome to Montessori Monday. Today, let us talk about a very important part of learning languages: grammar. Grammar in the elementary Montessori environment is dynamic, analytical, and constructive. When I say constructive, I mean that children should learn to love using grammar to communicate cohesively in any language. For isn't grammar a mere agreement between humans to speak a certain way? Dr. Maria Montessori once lamented, "Why would you take a child's composition, his work of art, and butcher it up like a cruel assassin?" Her words, not mine, just for the sake of analysis. Let us allow spontaneous writing to happen at 4.5 or 5. Let us wait for them to love words. Let us wait for their reasoning mind and imagination to kick in. Then we offer grammar, not as a textbook, but as dynamic lessons. The point that Dr. Maria Montessori wanted to put across was that grammar should be lived in the environment. The relationship between words and sentences should seem natural and interesting to the child. She worked a lot on writing commands and reading commands, which have to be interpreted by the child through actions. The purpose is to clarify the meaning of words and suggest a practical interpretation of them. For example, one of the command cards would read, "Pick up a pencil." The child actually does the command and is therefore directed to the words which helped him live out the action. The commands are not restricted to one subject area either. For example, a child may be given a command such as, "Find a transparent glass, show your friend an opaque stone," etc. in adjectives. An element of drama is therefore added to work in grammar. This naturally leads us to parts of speech. In the Montessori environment, each part of speech is represented by a specific symbol. The symbols not only bring some life and color to the child's work, but aid in pattern recognition and are used with the grammar boxes, where children analyze and sort the words in a sentence which are written on the command cards. The new part of speech is highlighted, moved around, and its name is dramatically revealed. Children are simultaneously working on suffixes, prefixes, compound words, synonyms, antonyms, dictionary skills, etc. to increase their vocabulary and conduct a word study. Soon they progress to studying sentences. They study the structure of a sentence, the subject-predicate relationships, and even clauses are analyzed using materials that lend themselves to pattern recognition and manipulation. The activities that I have suggested in this video are not Montessori grammar lessons. They are what we like to call follow-up work that can be pursued by a child across subjects after learning a concept, and he can apply the same concept using different methods. This is the point where even interesting worksheets, for example, can be introduced. However, I hope these activities, there are more than 5 in this video, mind you, I hope they can be seen as versatile lessons around grammar. For example, you could take any part of speech and apply the same lesson that I have mentioned to that part of speech. These activities are, of course, Montessori inspired and have also been inspired by the work done at home by my friends and relatives with their children. Grammar is not a boring subject. Although personally I've had issues with Ren and Martin, working with the elementary Montessori diploma from the Indian Montessori Training Center while I was working on it, I really had to take a second look at those interesting books. They weren't all that bad. Please do like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel for more as well. Why? Because it makes me happy, and because you'll be happy with all the activities I put up too. Did I just start a sentence with because? Check out the activities. Bye.